Squeezing the unsqueezable. It's my never-ending packing story.
I need more space!
Introducing the 4D pouches. 4D are the first airtight pouches that open and close like any normal bag. There is no real fourth dimension inside, it's just more efficient. Designed for backpacks and suitcases, 4D is a perfect fit for your luggage. Now you can pack much more and still keep it well organized. And if you need something out, just grab and reseal when you're done. It's as simple as that. But I hear you. You still use these, huh? And you're probably traveling with a vacuum cleaner? So, that's what 4D is created for. Even a compact backpack is now large enough to keep your bulky jacket in the fourth dimension. Yeah, that jacket that annoys you the entire travel. Optional compressor makes packing a breeze. Just press the button twice and voila! And you still got tons of space for your stuff. It's like a black hole for your clothes. The vacuum chamber can also protect your valuables from water damage. And protect her from your stinky gym socks. Whoa, okay, yeah, get him out. Whew. 4D are pocket size and weightless. It's good to keep one in your bag, just in case. And they are the key to your closet's fourth dimension. You can hang them or stick them. Even bare walls become extra storage. 4D comes in 2 sizes to supercharge your backpack and the suitcase. It's like having a magic wand for your packing. Reformidon! Now, you can squeeze the unsqueezable anytime and anywhere you are. Please support our campaign. With 4D, the impossible is possible.